आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Now the question is, can the instantaneous power output of an AC source ever be negative? Can the average power output be negative? So here two questions are asked. One, they are asking about the instantaneous power of an AC source, and the other they are asking is the average power output. So let us see one by one. The first one you can see about the instantaneous power output, and the next you can see the average power output. So now let us start with the instantaneous power. That is what they have asked in the first thing. So the instantaneous power of an AC source can be found out like P is equal to V naught I naught into sine omega t into sine of omega t plus phi. So this, when you are finding out the instantaneous power, we will integrate this equation, and so the power will be equal to V naught I naught by 2 into cos phi minus cos of 2 omega t plus phi. Now see to the term inside the bracket here. One term is cos phi, the other term is cos 2 omega t plus phi. So clearly when you see to this two terms, you can see that phi is now the lesser angle compared to 2 omega t plus phi. So you can say cos phi will be less than cos of 2 omega t plus phi. So phi and 2 omega t plus phi, which will be greater? 2 omega t plus phi will be greater. So cos phi will be always less than 2 omega t plus phi, and so this value will be a lesser value and this will be a higher value. So lesser value minus the higher value always gives you a negative value. So when you get negative value, you can say that P value will be less than 0. Since the term inside this bracket becomes a negative value, and so you can say that yes, the instantaneous power, what you have here, they have asked, can be negative. So from this, since P is less than 0, you can say it like the instantaneous power. From this you can say instantaneous power can be negative. The next thing they are asking is the average power output. So let us say about the average power output. Average power will be denoted as PAV. This will be average power. So average power will be equal to V naught by root 2 into I naught by root 2 into cos phi. So V naught by root 2 will be equal to VRMS, I naught by root 2 will be IRMS into cos phi will be the average power, where phi, you know, it is a phase difference. So this phase difference value, when you have only cos phi, which means the phase difference value will be always greater than 0, and you can say it like P average will also be greater than 0. So when P average becomes 0, why P average becomes 0? I hope you understood it. Because cos phi is a power factor and cos phi is equal to R by Z. And this will be always greater than 0 itself. So P average becomes 0. So when P average is greater than 0, here also you can infer it like the average power of an AC source. Average power of an AC source cannot be negative because it is greater than 0.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।